Rupa Khan. Okay, bird set free. Capo 1. So when you get to the chorus, just set up a 4-finger E minor 7. E minor plus the top 2 at the 3rd fret. And you just have E minor, G, C at 9, back to G. Now we're going to play D to B7. Passing chord. Okay, and then add that to your picking part. And if you want to do, I'll play this just so it's on here. And then it would go. That's a tough transition. So maybe on the last one you go. You switch from this stretch chord to a B7 for 1 beat, which is not that hard because your ring fingers are already in place. Common tone. I don't care if it's off key. Na, na, na. Okay, and just the beginning of Crazy, it's a B flat major. That's a 6th fret, 6-string root. And you're in 6/8 time, so it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you go B flat, A flat 7, no pinky, to G7. So it's crazy. Wait, I can't get it in my head. Okay. Crazy. 1, 2. I'm crazy. C minor, lonely. It's 4 long measures here. Then to an F. I'm crazy. Crazy for F7. So blue. Now here it gets jazzy, so we'll talk about that next time. But just mess around with this chord progression. B flat, A flat 7, G7, C minor to F, and then actually you can resolve to this B flat. And I'll show you the cool trick next week. Or I might even slap a capo at 1. Yeah, don't go too far with this. We should imagine it as a guitar song because it's a piano song, and I don't want to miss some cool opportunities.